hello, I am Melissa Miller. Okay, so here's what we're going to start with tonight. I did prep the background of this, and I'm going to show you what I used. I used some acrylic paint, and I used some baby wipes. Literally, I just put it on here and used my baby wipes and just put it on as heavy as I wanted it to go. I didn't want it completely solid. I wanted you to still be able to see the grain, but that is how I did this. And you can see here there's some roughness in this wood on the back, but it's going to be just fine. I'm used to working on wood like that, so I'm trying to decide where I want it to go. I think I want it to be the bottom down here. So we are going to be using this little guy, and then I think I'm going to use this one, 'Tis the Season. I've used this one already this fall, but I think it's just a good solid stencil to have on hand. And I love the word 'Tis the Season, so I think I'm going to try to use that if I can fit it on there. Okay. Let's see, and these are the things I'm worried about right here. So sometimes whenever you have one like this, what I might do, because of this guy's head also, let's just see here for a second. So I'm going to tape off my turkey. So for anyone watching, you can tape this off in little sections, right? So the biggest part of this guy will be probably taping. For right now, let's see, pick up some red. And it's gonna go a little deeper on this board than, all right. Okay, taking all of that tape off. We're going to do brown. So now I need to tape off my red, and then we're going to do the gold. So a little more taping. This won't take as long. Okay, here we go. Let's do some gold. Ooh, I like it. That's my metallic gold. Taping off the head. I can do some stenciling on the, let's get the brown on. So we're gonna make our little turkey brown, dark brown. Okay, I think I've got my turkey. I think he looks good. So I think we're done with the taping. And then we're gonna put some layering on. Oh, how cute is that? Oops, I'll have to touch that up right there. We'll try to wipe it off. So let's line this up. Get it where it's supposed to go. Make sure I have it on there the right way. If there is a right way, I don't know if it matters. Cute, cute, cute. So we will stencil this. I'm just using a cool dry. I don't have the heat on it really. That red is just taking some time to cover, so I'm sorry. All right. And take a look at him. Oh, he's pretty cute. He's pretty cute. He is cute. Okay. And now we're going to take and I'm going to use the words 'Tis the Season from this set right here. And we're going to stencil that right across the top. I want to make sure it is straight. That just barely fits. I think we're going to go with brown. Alrighty, here we go. We ready? hopefully my words look good. That looks good. He's pretty cute, isn't he? I'll set my camera up a little bit. I like the brown too. Let me set you guys up. Oh my word. I have to ask my brother about this. He's got the same stand. There we go. Isn't that cute? When I cook my turkey, it's black. That's funny. He turned out pretty cute. Super cute. Okay. You guys, thank you so much. Have a great rest of your week, and I will see you hopefully next week. Bye.